Click record. Okay, guys, good morning to London Live, 9:13 a.m., 25th of the 1st. It is a Thursday. Nice and clear. Brilliant. Okay, so I've got naming. In a shared workspace today in the office. So, yeah, I'm glad that you can all hear me fine. So, let's start off with the currency strength. Let's start off with long term. So long term, let's just go for gold against the US dollar because we're currently in gold at this moment in time. Long term gold is a little bit stronger than the USD. Medium time frame gold is minus 1.8. USD is positive 1.2. Short term, we've seen gold take an absolute tumble. So it was in the positives. It's gone from the positives to a minus 4.5. I think that yesterday, the top it was at like a -8. So that was a really, really good trade yesterday. USD is not far behind though at minus 1.2, but gold is still weaker. Let's take a look at gold on the daily. So on the daily, we saw that move to the downside. We knew that this was a level of consolidation. We saw the sells come in here. We entered at the bearish engulfing and it continued down. So today, I mean, we do have a daily low here. Let's just put a low there. So obviously this isn't a daily. This is just like a 4 hour, but we also have a level here as well. So we also are going to see sell pressure here and buy pressure here on the 1 hour time frame, on the lower time frame. We do have obviously news today, as we do every single Thursday, with jobless claims. So we have durable goods and jobless claims at 1:30. That will obviously impact gold quite a lot. And we'll see what happens. If it moves above this level, and then we'll probably just kill it. We've only got like 20% left in this trade, so it's not really that bad. So if it does close below here, I'm just going to keep it until hopefully 2002. But that's a currency strength. We've also gone over the economic calendar as well. The only thing that we really need to be aware of today is durable goods orders, ECB press conference for the euro. We have a president speech later on, ECB president speech for the euro. Not really that much, to be fair. We have a ECB interest rate decision for the euro later on. Other than that, pretty clean for the USD news-wise. Let's just put that there. So that's gold. Let's go to US 100. US 100 yesterday.
Just went bottom border, and it was just like. Then I saw 9.
So what happened yesterday? We have the weekly here.
Yeah, and like I never.
We've got a new daily high and daily low, so we can put these in here.
I didn't understand it. I think they were a bit tired, so they like. You had meter.
Okay. So yesterday we closed as a pin bar. Clearly the market is ready for a reversal as it's very, very extended. So we've got a pin bar here and a pin bar here. So we saw buyers come in pre-market and then we moved down. So possibly today we could break this level and move down today. So let's have a look at the 1 hour. There is quite a bit of level of support at this. We are still making higher highs and higher lows on the 1 hour time frame though. So where this daily is, let's just put this a little bit higher there because that technically is where the daily closed. Sorry, opened at 12 o'clock there. So that is a lot more accurate. So this is the open. This is the close of yesterday. We can clearly see buy and sell pressure here. This could literally go either way. We could break this level and move down to here. We could bounce and move up. So honestly, it could go either way. So right now, all I'm going to say is
we do wish, first of all, we wish that they'd have told us more about this. And that's one thing I'm going to follow up with them and see, like, you know, they've got all these fancy
literally
that are medical on their website. So
there we go. All depends what happens at this level, whether it breaks, whether it bounces. But honestly, after yesterday with that pin bar, I can't see this being bullish. But we'll see what happens. So US 30, I'm going to guess it's basically the same story. Basically the same story. So here on the daily, bearish candle, probably need to tap this level and then move up. So we've kind of got a very good idea of what's going to happen here today.
A lot of our members, you know,
Sell pressure here, buy pressure here between the daily high and daily low. In fact, we do have a new daily high and daily
I
low.
did have a couple of things about you.
Daily low is there. But to be honest, that's a really good level of support. This is a really good level of sell pressure here.
Yeah, I wondered that. Maybe when it's like September, October.
Okay, probably going to see buy pressure at this level. So honestly, I'm going to say today, look for buys at this level. That's what I would say. Again, a lot cleaner than US 100. US 100 is a little bit hard. We do have this nice impact level here. So basically, literally the same setup on US 100 as US 30. US 30 is a little bit cleaner. Buy pressure at this level, buy pressure at this level, potentially going to move up. The overall direction is to the upside, but we've closed bearish on the daily, so we could just literally move to the downside. So we'll see what happens. We've gone through gold, we've gone through US 30, US 100. Now let's go through British pound against the yen. Okay, so British pound against the yen hasn't seen the move to the downside. At 1600, we saw the move to the upside. We're basically seeing consolidation here. All we're really looking for is a break of this buy pressure here. So literally a break of this level.
Be completely transparent with it.
That's what you're looking for. Because at this moment in time, it's just consolidating between this level and this level. You can't really trade this unless it reaches this level again, and then you see sell pressure. I mean, the only trade yesterday would have been at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, a sell all the way down to this level if you're scalping again. So in fact, there is potentially a trade if we do touch this level. But there's also another one here if we don't get that. Something like that. Obviously, we're not going to go for the long yet because we're not there. So today, let's take a look at the fundamentals. Fundamentals have to make sense. So short-term, the Great British pound is stronger than the yen right now. That could change. The Great British pound has to be weaker than the yen in order for this to work. So if we do touch this level, I'm going to set an alert. So if we do touch this level, I'll be alerted. If we touch this level, I'll be alerted. So no matter what, whether it touches this level or this level, I'm really looking for tells if we break or if we bounce off this level. Simple as that. I'll explain that in the analysis as well. So let's go to Bitcoin. Let's see what that did yesterday.
Yeah, that would be really great.
With the USD being super weak. So the daily actually didn't close too great. Let's have a look.
I assume you didn't manage to get in the break.
We haven't broke.
I assume not.
We haven't broke above the 41K. So we're not gonna look for anything yet. We haven't really done anything. Consolidated. So waiting for that break, exhaustion, and then we'll move to the upside down. So nothing really to update on this yet. Let's move on to the British pound against USD.
No, it's not good.
So the British pound against USD. Okay, so we kind of rejected that level. We haven't really broke out. What's the Great British pound doing? So the Great British pound is a lot stronger than the USD. So we could be moving to the upside. Medium term, the Great British pound is stronger than the USD. Okay, so we're literally looking for longs here. We've seen the breakout exhaustion. We're just looking for the continued move. I would say if we get a bullish engulfing candle, and then
let me send you.
we should be good for a long SL just below here. So I would say that this is pretty much looking good. The only thing that I'm going to be a little bit aware of is we do have news later. We have durable goods, and that could strengthen the USD.
This is what we haven't released yet.
So at this moment in time, it's kind of looking like a fake out. It's kind of looking like this is a fake out, and it could move to the downside. So it's a little bit risky. Fundamentals have to be very, very good. It has to be a very good bullish engulfing candle in order for this to be placed. So honestly, I'm not really convinced with this. It does look like it's going to be a fake out. It does look like it could, move back down into here. So personally, I just don't want you to trade this. So I'm just going to leave this out. Fundamentals are to the upside right now, but technicals, it's just not giving me good enough entry to enter this for a long. So I'm just going to leave this for now. We'll see what happens at 1:30, and we'll go from there.
We will have a login stuff when you download.
Okay, so Euro against USD. I did say that possibly we are going to see a sell here. The Euro at this moment in time, let's take a look at this. So the Euro is positive 1.4. Short term, the Euro is a positive 3.1 against USD. Obviously, it's consolidating between this level and this level. We have major sell pressure here, major buy pressure here. So we're only looking for sells because we're not really going to break this level unless the Euro is like a positive 7 or something like that. Like it's not really going to do it. So we'll see what happens later on at 1:30. I think that at 1:30 it's going to be whether we break this level or reverse.
Yeah, sorry, last.
I think that we will retrace, to be honest. So literally that. Literally looking for a sell at this level, something like this, something like this, something like this. The only sell, this was at 1800. This was at 1400. So you could have got in there. It wasn't a bearish engulfing. That's a fake out. The only best trade would have been at 1800, and then obviously kept it open until the close. Hopefully we get one today at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. But yeah, that's roughly around about it. If we take a look at gold again, I think that just cap this off. Gold obviously looking for a sell. If it breaks this level, we could add to our trade. US 100, we're probably looking for a bounce to the upside. We'll see what happens. More than likely, it's going to break this level and move down. If we do get a bearish engulfing break in this level, I'll probably take a trade.
So potentially, if you're one already in your first week, and actually you should have had a second.
Probably something like that. Only just like a nice little one-to-one to this level. It's probably going to see buy pressure here. So if it does move down, it's probably going to close as a pin bar on Friday, move to the upside. So that's the kind of behavior that we are expecting on US 100.
Yeah, okay.
So does anyone have any questions? Want to go for anything? Any things that you're looking at right now? Other than that, thank you, Chef, Dave, Dr. Alexander, GAHU, iPhone, Jimmy, MP, Usman, and Zoom user. Unless someone's got something that they want to share or something that they want to go through, we will end the live session. Okay, no one's got anything. Okay, guys, so I shall see you at 2 p.m. I believe, if we've got time for a live session later on. I'll let you know. But yeah, hopefully see you guys later. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You know, it's the downside to create